Hi everyone, welcome to my second video out of my 5-part series, and today I'm going to teach you guys how to play Hava Nagila. Let's get into it. So this song is only used by flat picking, okay? So we're just going to go through the tab and we're going to read it, and we're just going to slowly play the numbers displayed up on the tab. Alright, let's begin. Alright, now that we've done that, I'm just going to go over some key tips that will help you play the piece smoother and make it sound better. Okay, so the first thing I would do before even playing this song would be to listen to this song on YouTube to figure out what melody to play this at. And so basically my only tips for this song is to keep your fingers in the general area around 4, 1, 0, 2, and 3. That'll allow you to play the song without moving your fingers that much, and it'll just flow smoother and it'll sound a lot better.